I'm happy to announce that we have a brand new case design for the Korn V41, and it's open source. It's publicly available on our GitHub site for you to be able to print. Now, right in front of me here, this is my personal Corne. This is the one I travel with. And you'll notice I've got 3D printed plates here. I love that texture look. And one thing that makes this case different and unique, there's no screw holes. These cases I redesigned and I made it. Now this is one without the PCB in it, where you put in heated inserts for the screw holes. That gives you a nice clean look on the bottom and makes it to where, like as you see for me here, I've got this adhesive back rubber grip here. I've got a magnet mount that I've stuck on, as well as I have a tinting kit that I installed on my keyboard. And that gives it a nice, good, solid feel without it moving around. I also made a feature of this case where you have the pinholes, and that allows you to hit the reset and boot buttons on the keyboard. So updating firmware no longer requires you to pull the PCB and take the keyboard completely apart. Now you just use a paper clip or a SIM card removal tool, and you can easily hit these and be able to reset them and install your updated firmware. Another benefit you'll see is these are ultra low profile. I tried to make these very thin. So I have Chalk V1 switches installed on my keyboards. As you can tell, they're very, very thin, and that's purposely done. I made the USB connection nice and tight, the TRS connection nice and tight, and I kept this as thin as possible. So you have the PCB, you have the components which are laying flat on the bottom of the keyboard tray. So it makes the case and everything nice and flat as possible. Again, if you're looking for a Korn V4, please check out our website, turkeyboards.com, and get your own. We're having a keyboard sale right now for the anniversary of October. It's our 1-year anniversary of launching the store. Also, if you're watching this, it's not October, or you have access to a 3D printer, like I mentioned, you can go to our GitHub website. All of this is open source. So you can print your own keyboard cases. You could print your own top plates. You have access to our firmware there as well. So if you already have a Korn V41 and you want to update the firmware to the latest version for vial support, we've got it there. So thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.